We are entering 2026 and PC hardware has changed fast. Yet I still see people building brand new computers with parts that belong in a museum. If you buy these parts today, you are literally throwing your money into a fire. You are building a PC that will struggle to run modern games within 6 months. Today, I'm listing the 3 PC parts you need to stop buying right now and what you should buy instead. Number 1 is going to make some NVIDIA fans angry, but it needs to be said. I'm Steven. Let's save your wallet. First on the list, graphics cards with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. I'm looking at you RTX 4060 and 4060 Ti owners. In 2023, 8 gigabytes was okay. In 2025, it was struggling. In 2026, it is dead. Modern games specifically built on Unreal Engine 5, like the ones we are seeing launch this year, eat VRAM for breakfast. If you try to play at 1080p high settings with ray tracing, 8 gigabytes just isn't enough. You will get stuttering, texture popping, and crashes. The fix: stop looking at the brand name and look at the memory. For the same price, you can often find a Radeon RX 7700 XT or a used RTX 3080 12 gigabytes. Rule of thumb for 2026, do not buy a GPU with less than 12 gigabytes of VRAM, period. Item number 2, hard disk drives, HDDs. Now, don't get me wrong. If you are a video editor storing 10 terabytes of footage, HDDs are fine. But if you are a gamer, do not put a mechanical drive in your PC. New games are now designed around the speed of an SSD. If you install a game like Starfield or GTA VTI, if it ever comes out, on an old spinning hard drive, the game won't just load slowly, it will break. The textures won't load in time and your game will freeze. The fix: NVMe SSD prices have stabilized. You can get a 1 terabyte NVMe drive for under $60. There is zero excuse to have a mechanical drive making noise in your gaming rig anymore. And finally, the biggest waste of money I see beginners make: overspending on the motherboard. I see budget builds with a mid-range CPU paired with a $400 ROG Maximus motherboard. Why? Because it looks cool or because I want to future-proof? Here is the truth. A $400 motherboard gives you exactly 0 extra frames per SECON in gaming compared to a $180 board. Unless you are an extreme overclocker using liquid nitrogen, you are paying for features you will never use. The fix: buy a solid B-series motherboard like B650 or B860. Take that extra $200 you saved and put it into a better GPU. That is actual future proofing. So to recap the do not buy list for 2026, number 1, no 8 gigabytes GPUs. Number 2, no mechanical hard drives for gaming. Number 3, no overpriced motherboards. If you avoid these 3 traps, your PC will be faster, quieter, and last longer. Comment below. Are you still rocking an 8 gigabytes card, or did you finally upgrade? I want to know what you're running. If this saves you money, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. I'm Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.